first stop, filling up, getting gas, then gonna go get food. So we made it to the cabin. What do we have here? So it's dark and it's so quiet. Like, I want y'all to hear how peaceful it is. I'm so amazed because I haven't been in peace and quiet. I don't know if ever, and if I have, it's been forever. This yum. And now we are headed to the mall. We were supposed to go paddle boarding today, but as y'all can see, it's raining, so no paddle boarding for us. We're just gonna go get food. We made breakfast this morning, go to the mall, maybe go to like a winery, and yeah. We are out to eat at Casa Maria Mexican restaurant. We about to get some bars. I'm about to get some bars. I don't know what he wants to do, but I get some bars.
40-minute drive.
Oh yeah.
Come over
yonder. This is what the cabin looks like from outside. Nice, cute, and cozy. Okay, we finished. We're about to leave the cabin. I would love to come back and really deep dive into nature and get out there with the animals.
I want to do it when it snows. They got some like all over. I want to go to one in like Chicago when it's snowing.
I guess Chicago is next.